Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Quick Guide. Today's video is all about how you can change your Hotmail account's password. Now let's get started. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you won't be missing any of the upcoming updates or videos in the future. Now let's get back to the video. To change your Hotmail account's password, firstly open your Hotmail account. You can see that you are on the home page of your Hotmail account. Click on the Change Password option. Enter your password and click on Sign In. To verify your identity, you need to enter a verification code sent to your email address. Click on I have a code and enter the verification code sent to your mail and click on Verify. It will take you to the page where you can change your password. Enter your current password and your new password. Confirm your new password by re-entering it and click on Save. This is how you can change your Hotmail's password. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.